Hi everyone, I'm Jay. Welcome to my channel. Today I'll show you how I made these tasty vegan sausage rolls packed with flavour but so quick and simple to make. Make a start by warming a tablespoon of oil. Once the oil is hot, then I'm going to add 2 medium-sized leeks that I've washed really well and chopped as finely as possible. So I'll let the leeks cook under a medium heat until they're really soft. This should take about 5 to 8 minutes. So once the leeks have cooked, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of smoked paprika and 2 teaspoons of dried sage. And now I'm going in with 1.5 tablespoons of whole grain mustard. I'll give that a good stir and let it cook under a low heat for a minute or two. And I'll add a generous amount of salt and pepper. And then I'll stir in 100 grams of breadcrumbs. And after stirring in the breadcrumbs really well, I'm adding 250 grams of applesauce. I could have used homemade, but this time I'm using shop bought. I'll spend a few minutes giving it a good stir and I'll taste and adjust the seasoning, adding more spices if needed. Once I've spent a few minutes combining everything really well, I'll take it off the heat and allow to go cold. I'll be using just 1 sheet of shop bought puff pastry. My mixture is now cold and I've already preheated my oven to 200 Celsius, and I'm just going to stack the mixture in the centre of the pastry, and I'm going to brush the sides with a little dairy-free milk before rolling. And using a sharp knife, I'll slice into 8 pieces. And with a small knife, I just score the top and brush all over with some dairy-free milk. And once I've brushed my vegan sausage rolls with the dairy-free milk, I'll pop them in the oven and let them cook for 30 minutes at 200 Celsius. And after 30 minutes of baking, there's our vegan sausage rolls. So tasty and delicious. They make a great snack. I hope you get a chance to try these. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more delicious recipes like this. Thank you so much for watching. Take good care of yourselves and I'll see you in the next one.